Hey there! Today, I'll show you the simple ways to export a specific part of a video in CapCut PC. Let's start with the first method. All you need to do is right-click on your clip and select Range, then select by clip. You'll see two blue lines that you can drag to the part you want to export. Drag them to mark the starting and ending points of the section you want to export. Then, simply click Export and it will only export the highlighted part. Now, let's move on to the second method. First, mark the starting point by moving the playhead and pressing Ivorin. Then, mark the endpoint by moving to the desired spot and pressing Over out. When you export the video, only the selected part will be included. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, share it, and subscribe for more tutorials. After exporting, you'll see only the specific part you chose has been exported. To exit this mode, just click Cancel, and there you have it. 2 simple methods to export a specific part of a video in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching.